Hi everyone, welcome back to Monday Meds. I hope your week is off to a great start. Happy Monday to you all. I'm your health educator, Tanisha Lawrence, and this is your Monday Meds. Yes, your Monday Meds. So yes, it is Monday. It's what, the third Monday in April? And yes, today, as you can see, we are at the beach. We are here for a day trip. And as many of you know, we love trips when we get a chance to go out and do trips and show you about out and about. And yes, today we are at Negril. Yes, Negril. As many of you may not know, half of Jamaica, it's more wide. And so we are on the western side of Jamaica today, and we are at the farthest point west, which is Negril Point. As we would say, from Morant Point to Negril Point. And that's where we are today. We'll show you a map of Jamaica one of these days. If we had the time, we would morph it into this video. But this is a quick video, and the purpose of this video is to encourage you to start planning your summer vacation. Start planning your summer vacation. Yes, now is April. It's not too late to plan your summer vacation. And we are going to encourage you as we are here at Margaritaville. Yes, Margaritaville in Negril, Jamaica. You will make your vacation this year to sweet, sweet Jamaica. Sweet, sweet Jamaica. As many of you know, we always talk about having a good time, having a restful time, relaxing time, and you want to make sure that when you go on vacation, that you be there. If you have not seen the videos last year about planning your vacation, definitely look in the playlist. We will drop it in the description section of this video. You have to take some time to relax. You have to take some time to relax. Life is very stressful, and you have to get some breaks in between all the stress that you may go through. So that's the purpose of this video today. We are about the holistic person, the mind, the body, and the spirit. And so as we talk about physical, and we take a break right now today from planting, we have to take some time to have your social well-being intact, and also you have to make sure that your mental health is intact. So this is the Sea Dreamer, and as my husband told me, what is it called, honey? This type of boat?
This vessel is called a catamaran because it has a double hull. It's double hulled so that it can stay more buoyant and balanced while on the water. If there's a lot of waves, it stays buoyant as well as level. It handles the waves better than the normal single hulled boats.
So when you say it's double hulled, what do you mean? Explain.
If we were a bit closer and you look underneath the boat, you would see there is two boats.
Right here?
Yes, like two boats.
In the opening?
The basement of the boat is like two boats beside each other with a platform connecting them above the water. So it's called a catamaran.
Okay.
It's not like a conventional boat with a one hull or a single hull like that
like
one.
This one that's sailing right now.
Sailing by.
That's a single hull boat.
Right.
Okay. So it's all in one.
Right.
With no space in between.
Right.
All
the
right.
catamaran, it has two hulls with a platform above the hulls connecting them to make the complete vessel.
All right. So that is a perfect double hull boat. So that is two. Shows us you gotta be balanced, well balanced in life, in your physical life and also in your social life and your spiritual life. So perfect. What a moment. As we wrap up Monday Meds today, I'm reminded of that boat we showed you earlier called the catamaran. As David explained, it is double hulled. Like the Word of God, you have to be balanced. You have to have the Old Testament and the New Testament coming together to make you balanced. And so, I pray that as you go through this week, that you will take some time, you will take more time in the Word of God, that double-hulled book, the Word of God, that you will be balanced, well balanced as a human being. I pray you'll have a wonderful week, everyone, and God be with you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe. Be sure to click the notification bell to get updates on all our new videos. Keep watching.